In this video, you will see Meta and Instagram add image sizes. Correct dimensions ensure your images look sharp, prevent cropping issues, and improve the performance by fitting perfectly across different devices and placements. There are many placements and therefore choosing the right size is important. The main or important placements are: number 1, Facebook and Instagram newsfeed. Number 2, Facebook and Instagram Reels. Now there are other placements like Marketplace, Instant Articles, Audience Network, Facebook and Instagram search result, Instagram Explorer page, Messenger, apps and sites, etc. But these placements are not very important yet. You will need to put your ad at least in the right placements, and the sizes and dimensions that matters there are: number 1, 1080 by 1080 pixels. These are used on Meta and Instagram newsfeed. Number 2, 1080 by 1920 pixels. These are used on Meta and Instagram Reels. Number 3, 1080 by 628 pixels. These are horizontal images. These are used on Meta and Instagram newsfeed as well. I often choose option number 1, that is 1080 by 1080 pixel to begin with. If we are doing Reels type ads, then we are choosing option number 2, which is 1080 by 1920 pixel images. So that is the vertical images. And often we are doing both things together, that is 1080 by 1080 pixel size image and 1080 by 1920 pixel size image. That's it. With these dimensions, you are ready to create eye-catching Meta and Instagram ads that look great and perform well. If you have found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Meta and Instagram campaign tips. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below.